Welcome everyone to part 6 of 7-day series on this channel, where I'm showing you how you can use ChatGPT Image Generation tool. So in this video, I will show you how you can create these beautiful infographics. So for example, this one about how to build a one-person business, this one about the best AI tools, or even this one about writing good prompts. So for sure, stay to the end because I have for you very nice examples. AI Masters community is the place to learn faster, easier and better, everything related to AI. Here in our community we've got plus 12 courses, you can get a lot of knowledge, and for example we've got image generation with ChatGPT course, here we have a lot of use cases, so you know we've got plus 100 hours of content. So I will put the link in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out, if it's for you, if not. And here, we've got the networking space, we talk with each other, we've got our calls and everything you need. The first amazing infographic I created is how to build a one-person business. So here, even you can see, we've got the steps, 1 to 5. We've got titles, descriptions, and so on. Also here the notification, you don't need a team to build a business, just the right system. So now let me show you what I typed inside the prompt. Create a vertical infographic titled, How to Build a One-Person Business. So here 2025 playbook with a bold business feel. Dark background, white text, orange highlights. So in general, when you create these type of the infographics, you need to describe exactly what should be in which place. Because look, we've got the header, how to build a one-person business. Here, 2025 playbook for creators, experts, and here freelancers. So exactly you need to type. We've got step 1, pick a niche. Step 2, package the value. Build a simple system. And here even we've got the footer. So in general, to create perfect infographics, you need to be very descriptive. You can't just drop random text and don't say, for example, the place. Like in these circumstances, when you won't specify it, algorithm even can cut off some text or just place the text in some random place. So for sure you wanna avoid it. Another case I wanna show you is top 5 AI tools for creators in 2025. So here again I typed, create a vertical infographic titled, exact title, here modern text style, dark blue background, bold white headings, here and a spotlight layout for each tool. Include the following text. Header, so it's so nice. Actually provide sections, for example, header, here tool sections, and there, for example, footer, and so on. So again, I've got something like that, and now look on the icons. They are very realistic. For example, Notion, ChatGPT, Midjourney also, so nice. And to create these infographics, you just need a few minutes or even several minutes if you have some problems and if you wanna, make them better in some cases. Because sometimes, of course, it happens. For example, sometimes it cut off the text, some parts and so on. The next part, actually the infographic, is how to write better prompts, made simple. So here, be specific. Also different colors we've got here. I really like it, So here, add style or format. Include role or tone, give examples, and at the end we've got write a friendly email to thank a customer for buying a productivity planner, keep it short and warm. So infographics actually you can use for a lot of different circumstances. You can post, for example, on some Facebook group, get a lot of traffic. So this is actually, for now, this is actually the best way yet to teach people. And remember, if you give free content, afterwards, people, know you, they know that, all right, this guy provided for me free content, so maybe can I purchase something from him? And then, you can provide some services or even some products on your profile. Then what we have, this infographic that, let me show you, design a global style infographic titled Remote Work Adoption by Country 2025. The layout includes a small header, a side-by-side bar chart comparing 5 countries, and a global stat box. Let's see what we have inside. It's so nice, however, it cut off the text, so I wanted to provide something like that. And here, just look on the design. It's so nice. We've got a text, here, percentage. Here, for example, for the Brazil, we don't have that. So for sure, it should be improved. However, again, we've got content. And again, please provide specific parts at a specific place. Otherwise, you get bad results. And last example for now is this sophisticated infographic. And look on the amount of the text right here. For example, we've got some defects here, like this text is a little cut off. However, we can solve it in a while with select tool. So for example, we can solve it or something like that, or even type, to decrease the font size, and afterwards algorithm will create for you another infographic. However, like look on charts, on explanation, on text, even on graphic. So it's so cool, all right? Here we have a lot of valuable information, and right away what you can do, you can create a lot of infographics, post them on social media, and in general, you can do them in a minute. And then again, like create a lot of content, create, and afterwards post somewhere or even for your personal use. So these were 5 examples of how to create perfect infographics. I hope you enjoy them, and remember to check out our AI community. For now, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.